How's it going? I thought today with the rain, we read a few poems from Dispatches from the Fort from my basement office. The first one is called Life as a Stone. The beginning is the end is the beginning. For when everything collides, is turned upside in, the heat and the pressure, a thunderous din, causes rock to melt and fold, change form, recrystallize, squeezing out water as water becomes water. Time, vast amount of time, and air and deposits, and more time, and ice sometimes, uncovers what is, exposes the weakness, erosion begins. Tossing debris and waste against each other, till at last there is no more. It has become stone, ready for collision and heat and pressure. The beginning is the end is the beginning. And this one is called A Timeless Time. Searching for a timeless time, a motionless frame, a forgotten rhyme, seeking an endless end, an unspoken name, a long-lost friend, gasping a breathless breath, grasping an extended hand, gathering all that is left when all is gone. Disbelieving belief, finding some relief in conversation and song. To ignore the foundation, to throw it to the wind, backstep through footsteps, exit through the entrance. Reaching for a heartless heart, a stagnant pool, a suspended start. Teaching to mindless minds, distracted conscious, searching for a timeless time. That's it. If you want to read that and more, Dispatches from the Fort. See ya.